Where are we?
I ain't got a fucking clue, mate. I don't know. Where the fuck are we?
Wait, what happened to your farm?
Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck happened to me?
Hey, your clothes are back.
Oh yeah, but wait. My mohawk. I don't feel my mohawk.
Yeah, sadly your mohawk.
My mohawk.
Yeah, sadly your mohawk's gone, and also your outfit you had is gone.
No, my awesome 1890s outlaw.
Don't worry, man.
Look, that fuck no, gone.
Right, so where are we?
But anyway, we gotta find out where the fuck we are.
I don't know. It looks kind of Mad Maxy, but that'd be IP infringement, right?
That's very true, Johnny. By the way,
Oh.
You see that over there?
Wait. Nightmare, where are we? Oh, hello. Nightmare, what's going on? Oh, 1 minute. You were in a... Wait. Actually, another question. Where's your Mechagodzilla suit?
Oh, shit.
So what's going on? 1 minute you were a Mechagodzilla, and you were suddenly a dragon all of a sudden.
When it was spawned, I thought, wait a minute, that city was a bit too generous to be there. So I teleported us here to a regional, you know.
So what? So you've teleported us into this Mad Maxy looking wasteland?
You mean a nightmare dimension?
Wait, are you saying this is the proper nightmare dimension?
Yeah, God.
I thought we saw that. But this is true form.
No offense, but I thought the last place we fought you in was the nightmare dimension, so don't take this the wrong way, but the last place, why did it look like all plain and wasn't all like this last time?
It's the nightmare dimension's graveyard.
What, so there's like stages?
If you want to think of it like that.
Dude? We might have a problem.
Oh, shit. Yeah, the issue is we're fucked right now.
Uh-oh.
Run!
We have a problem. I don't have my Tommy gun. I must have dropped it in the other universe.
Johnny, why the fuck do you think you need a Tommy gun right now? Your Tommy gun won't do shit against an all-powerful interdimensional being/god.
Okay then. Hector, hold your legs! Look at the sun, look how it shines on you. Happy through your heart, and you were in a valley of death. And it's far away like the stars in the night, shine high in the night.
Fucking King Ghidorah.
That's Godzilla! What? Oh my god, that is awesome!
Okay, Johnny, what the fuck are you doing? Just run!
Well, it's terrifying, but you gotta admit, it's awesome.
Johnny,
Dude, come on!
I sprained my fucking ankle there. Shit.
Dude, come on!
Okay.
Okay.
Especially when everything ends.
Oh no!
What is it? What's going on?
Hector, we're cornered. We're fucking cornered!
It looks like we are.
Oh yeah, and I do not feel being cornered by over a boiling lake of lava.
Neither do I.
No way we can win this one, buddy. He's just gonna keep coming.
Well, it looks like we either have the choice of dying or, well, die.
I am not afraid of you, Nightmare.
What, Johnny?
And I have one word for you, Nightmare.
Johnny, you might have gone lost. You might have gone lost your damn mind. I've said that many times, but I think now is the instance that actually takes the cake.
Hold up, guys, I need a minute to
What the fuck? Why is he sleeping?
There's only one way we can do this.
Wait, he's in a dormant state right now.
Oh my!
Oh my god.
Come on! Photograph and read it out. Listen to your heart beating out. Negative consequences in a land of free. You're living in the same life. You was your freedom, that was your choice. And you
shine a mile. Brush your hair right, wear it out.
When does this end?
The end when you give up.
Give up? But listen, if you created this whole universe, then maybe there's a way we can fix the whole. I have a deal. A new one.
What is it?
Your strongest form. Has anyone ever defeated your strongest form? So here's the deal. If me and Hector, we defeat your strongest form that no one's ever been able to defeat, you have to let us go and let us live our lives in peace.
Are you sure about this, Johnny? I mean, look at that thing. You really think we can beat that?
Hector, listen to me, buddy.
What is it, Johnny?
What's the one rule that you and I always follow as friends?
We never give in.
Exactly. We never give up.
Precisely. So.
And the most important one, we always stick together.
Precisely. We're always there for each other.
Now, are you ready to do this, my friend?
Of course I'm ready, Johnny.
Of course.
Let's
Brother.
kick some ass.
Alright.
Let's kick some
Right.
fucking ass.
Bring out your sword. Right. Fear us if you dare.
You.
Let's go!
Take your stars out, shine a mile. Brush your hair right, wear it out. Triple consequences. The crowd, you will decide, you will decide to live again. You will decide, you will decide to live again.
What's going on? Dude, run!
Bomb explosion.
It's not. Just can't maintain the form.
What for?
Oh, what is going on?
Wait. Platform collapsed. He couldn't handle it. Oh, God.
Wait, I'm starting to feel poisoned.
Get out of the zone.
You saved our lives.
Yeah, that's so bizarre. What? Well, the guys were trying to kill us this whole time. Want to save us.
Yeah, why'd you save us?
You don't want to die alone.
This is... Please, you shouldn't die for something I did.
Well, it's something that we did, Johnny. Remember? I was your accomplice.
No, but I was the one who got so worked up about that machine that it caused this.
Look, Johnny. Remember what you said earlier?
Yeah?
Everyone makes mistakes.
Okay. Nightmare. Nightmare! No!
Oh shit.
Ah! Wait.
Oh my god.
We're home!
We've returned. We returned relatively unscathed. Yes.
Wait. Nightmare, no! Nightmare, no!
Oh fuck.
What's happened?
He's looking worse for he's looking a bit worse for wear.
Nightmare, what happened? Damage.
Jesus.
The portal.
Severe.
Wait, the rift in the portal. Some of the rift's radiation must have mixed in with the portal, and it must have damaged his Nightmare's health. No, Nightmare, there's got to be something we can do.
Oh shit.
What would you do? Hated me.
No.
Yeah, I thought that too, Johnny. Why are we suddenly so sympathetic towards him?
Because we're the same.
You'll be in my shoes one day, Johnny Benefit.
Well, one thing's for sure, you can't hurt us anymore.
Yes.
How about, Johnny? You open your goddamn.
He's gone. I think he's actually gone.
Looks like it. But what do we do about the whole ripping reality, the whole tearing reality thing?
Hector, I think this is what he was talking about. Do you know about loops, right? Of time?
Yes.
I think whatever we do, we can't change that loop.
Yes.
In a few years' time,
I understand.
I think in a few years' time, whatever is going to happen to me, well, whatever happened to other me, is going to happen to me.
No, Johnny, that can't be.
Hector, hey, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't want you to suffer the same fate.
Hector, listen to me. It's my fate.
I don't want you to suffer like that, Johnny.
Look, the nightmare dimension's closed, but I'm afraid we can't change the past. We have to live with it. I have to live with it. I'm gonna follow that fate, but I'm gonna live the rest of my days with Hector, even if I do have only got a few days or a few weeks or even a few months to live.
Precisely. As I said, Johnny, I'm with you to the end.
There are the drinks to being alive.
get you two or anything?
Wait, what was that? Oh my
Oh shit.
God.
Good leg.
Hey guys, PranksterBear59 here, or Edward. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And that is Season 2. Make sure to get ready for the full movie of Season 2. Oh, and also, I would like to thank the actors here who made this series possible, starting with the one and only Shiba Inu with AK-47.
That's right, guys. This was a really fun series to make, guys.
That's right, and we've also got some more news. Would you like to explain?
Next year, there's going to be a golden series. And it's going to be a golden opportunity.
Good one. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next year for Season 3 of The Blood, and the Prankster series, and Elden Ring is Golden. Goodbye, guys. Now, all of you three, on the count of three, PranksterBear59, out!
Out!